Assalamu alaikum, this is Ashu and welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Ashu. Hope so you all fine. Now starts our topic. As you see, today we talk about past, present and future tense. In past tense we use was with I was, I am, I will be, I had, I have, I will have, I did, I do, I will do. I went, I go, I will go. I said, I say, I will say. I got, I get, I will get. I made, I make, I will make. I saw, I see, I will see. I came, I come, I will come. I took, I take, I will take. I gave, I give, I will give. I kept, I keep, I will keep. I broke, I break, I will break. I knew, I know, I will know. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos and don't forget to press bell icon. And remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.